Hello everybody, welcome to today's video lecture. As you can see, the title of today's video lecture is Deriving Results from Known Facts. Now, what does this title mean? Instead of any further delay, let us jump into the example as written down in the board. What does this example say? This example states that using the fact that 76 into 13 equals to 988, we are given this information that 76 into 13 equals to 988. Calculate 760 into 130. Now what does this question mean? This question means that given this information that 76 into 13 equals 988, we are supposed to derive the product or the result of multiplying 760 by 130. We are not supposed to do any kind of long multiplication. Rather, just by using this product and some related logic, we have to arrive at the required answer. So, what to do first? As our first step, let us simply jot down or copy down the result that is given. So, what is the result given? 76 times 13 equals 988. Now, in the second step, what I will do? I will increase this multiplicand, which is 76 over here, 10 times. So if I increase the multiplicand by 10 times, what do I have to do? I just have to stack an extra 0 on the right side of the number. So what is our number? 76. 76 when increased 10 times becomes 760. And our 13 or multiplier, at least in this step, remains unchanged. So our multiplier stays as 30. Now, the question naturally arises, how does this tenfold increase in multiplicand affect our product? Well, we still don't know the answer. In order to know the answer, let us take a detour into a much simpler example that we can calculate. What is that example? I will put that example on the margin on the right side. The example is very simple. 2 times 1, what does it give us? 2. Let us suppose that I increase this multiplicand 2 on the left by 10 times. So what do I get? I get 20, my 1 remains the same. So 20 times 1 gives me how much? 20. Now if you pay close attention between these two multiplication process, what do I find? Here the multiplier, they remain the same, that is they remain 1. Here my multiplicand has changed from 2 to 20, which means that the multiplicand has increased 10 times. And as a result of this tenfold increase in multiplicand, our product has also increased by the same factor, by the same proportion. That is, our product has increased from 2 to 20. Our product has increased 10 times or tenfold. So, returning to our original problem, after having increased the multiplicand from 76 to 760, our product, our original product 988 will be increased how many times? 10 times. So, all we need to do is stack an extra 0 on the shoulder of 988. So, our product becomes 9880. But is it the end of the story? No. Our multiplier in the calculation that we are required to perform, or actually the calculation that we are required to derive, has 130 as the multiplier. So from here to here, in the next step, what we will do? I will increase 13 10 times. So let's do that. After having increased 13 by 10 times, what do I get? I get 760 times 130. Now, again the question naturally arises, how my product is affected. In order to answer that, let us again take the help of a simpler example. What is that simpler example? Let us suppose that I have a number 4, I have two numbers, 4 times 2. When multiplied together, what do I get? I get 8. In the next line, I will keep the multiplicand unchanged. That is, my multiplicand will stay 4, but I will increase the multiplier 10 times. If I increase the multiplier, that is 2, 10 times, what number do I get? I get 20. So 4 times 20, what does it give us? 8. So, just like in the case of multiplicand, increasing the multiplier 10 times increases our product 10 times. So, we have got the answer to our problem. From here to here, what we have done, I have increased the multiplier 10 times. So, my product will also be increased how many times? 10 times. So, finally, our required product is 98800. Now, this problem I have solved in 2 steps, but you can also now solve it in 1 step. What is it? You see, from 76, I have got what? 760. So, I have increased the multiplicand how many times? 10 times. Similarly, from 13, I have got how much? 130. I have increased the multiplicand again by 10 times. So, the cumulative effect of this 2 tenfold increase means I have to increase my product how many times? 100 times. Similarly, if I had say 2 zeros here and 2 zeros here, this means that I have increased 7600 times and 13 also 100 times. So, what changes would have occurred or taken place in the product? I would have to increase the product by how many times? 100 times 100, that is 10,000 times. So, I think we have reached the end of the journey. And so I would like to conclude today's lecture by saying that if we increase the product by 10 times, if we increase the multiplicand 10 times, your product increases by 10 times. If you increase the multiplier by 10 times, your product increases by 10 times. If you increase both the multiplicand and the multiplier by 10 times each, your product becomes ultimately 100 times. So with this, I would like to end today's lecture. See you again with some more new topics. Thank you very much.